Hello, this is Ali Nasehi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here in a set of videos, we are going to talk about Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It consists of a microcontroller, a simple programmer circuit board, and an integrated development IDE for writing and uploading code. Arduino boards can read inputs such as light on a sensor or a finger on a button and turn them into outputs like activating a motor or turning on an LED. They are popular in prototyping, education, and DIY projects due to their simplicity and versatility. Make sure to subscribe my channel for further videos. What you need to buy is an Arduino board from the official website. It's around 24 euros, or maybe you could buy another Arduino board like Arduino Nano. But in this series of educational videos, we are going to work with this board. As you could see, it has features like digital outputs, analog inputs, and Y2C and SPI. Here is the schematic of the board. Arduino has an IDE, but we are going to work with vscode. vscode has a built-in extension for Arduino. First, we are going to install it, and then here in the extension tab, you search Arduino. Because I have this extension, it doesn't bring me any. And after you have chosen this, try to install the latest version of the Arduino, and then we are going to write a simple program for controlling the GPIOs. Here in this program, we are going to control the internal LED. The internal LED in the schematic is pin 13. So whenever we want to control it, we have to turn this off or on. And we have defined it as pin 13 in the program. Then in the void setup, we are going to set this pin as an output at an output GPIO loop. We are going to turn it on and off in every 1 second. So here is the exact board. Thanks for seeing my video. Please make sure to subscribe for other videos.